Step number 1, grab your mobile phone. Step number 2, find a comfortable place. Step number 3, click on this button. And step number 4, earn over $800 in a single day. Hello guys, I'm the top 4 and today I'm going to show you a brand new way that you can get paid $800 per day to watch YouTube the videos. In 2021, we are going to use quite a few different websites to get all the way up to $800. And I have made sure that everything I'm sharing today is available worldwide. That means that it doesn't really matter where you live on Earth, because as long as you have an internet connection and a personal computer or a smartphone, you're still able to make some profits. That really means you have no excuses, guys, and all there left for you to do is take action. This will basically be a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow, and if that sounds cool to you, please don't forget to drop us like, hit the subscribe button, and let's jump right into it. The first website I need you guys to connect to is this one, which is called soar.com. I hope I pronounced that correctly, and I confess that I have just discovered it. It is a fairly new website. It is also a mobile app that you can get on your mobile phone, no matter which operating system you are using. That means that you can get it on both App Store and also Google Play, as they describe it here. You can start making profits on your mobile phone, on your computer, or also on your tablet. So it doesn't matter which type of device you're using, because you're still able to generate some extra cash if you use this one correctly. And guys, I know you like exact figures, so that is why I'm going to show you exactly how much money you're going to get using all the apps that we are going to cover today. As I promised, I'm going to walk you through the entire process so that you can get all the way up to $800. And this is just the first website that we are going to use in order to get there. And this one will basically pay you all the way up to $150 per month. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to spend an entire month within the app in order to get to such an amount, because you can basically trade your time for money, and the more time you're willing to invest in this method, the more time you're willing to watch videos and ads, the more money you are going to generate, and the sooner the profits will get redirected to your balance. And the best part about this entire process is that you don't have to stay in front of your computer as you would normally do with a side hustle, and instead you can just open your smartphone whenever you're waiting for the bus or you are going somewhere and you are getting bored, and just watch some of these videos, and that will generate income for you. And if we go over to this particular section of the website that is called methods of earning, we can definitely see that there are quite a few different offers you can complete. As you can spot right away, you can actually earn money for browsing websites, watching videos, watching ads, also living engagement on social media. That means that you will have some offers that will involve of you leaving some comments on other people's posts, leaving some likes, sharing some videos, and so on. They will also ask you to write comments and reviews. Also, filling out surveys will get you some extra cash. And you will also be asked to create accounts, subscribe to newsletters, and all that stuff. Now, as mentioned, the more time you're willing to spend, the more money you're going to generate. And another feature that I absolutely enjoy about this app is the fact that they will ask you to try out other apps that have just been launched and see whether or not you can find some bugs or issues. And that is going to get you some additional rewards. Now, you can also take advantage of their referral program, because they will give you a commission whenever your friends actually join this website and start making some profits on their own. And that might be a way of generating some additional passive income without your active involvement. All you have to do is basically share a link, and if people click on that, you are going to get a commission or a certain percentage, but I'm quite sure you are familiar with that process, and I don't want to waste any of your time, guys. So if you want to give this one a try, all there's left for you to do is basically register, sign up if you haven't already done so, or you can also get the app on your mobile device. As mentioned before, it doesn't matter whether or not it is an Apple device or an Android device, you are still able to use the app and generate some extra cash in your spare time. Moving on to website number 2, this one is called SBox GPG. After you have logged into your account, I want you guys to go over to the settings section here and select payment method, because I wanted to show you how many payment methods these guys actually have. As you can see, they accept payer bank transfers, RTMS, Cranet, Bitcoin, and also a few other options. So that means, unfortunately, PayPal is not an option here, but you can also go for SCR or Bitcoin, which might be a better option right now. As you all know, Bitcoin has absolutely skyrocketed in the past few months, and this might be the perfect opportunity for you to start generating free Bitcoin just by completing some very simple tasks. And also, I'm going to show you the most profitable ones so you don't have to waste any time in the process. Now, once you have set that up, we can actually move on to the ways that we're going to generate money for us. And I'm talking about active income, because you would have to complete all of these micro tasks in order to generate income. And there are a few different offers that you can complete. You can go over to the service section and take a look at that. You can also switch over to the content, the tasks, sign up, TikTok, and so on. But for now, we are going to focus on the videos that you can watch in order to earn some some extra cash. And in order to do that, you would have to go over to the Offer W section, and on the left-hand side, you should be able to see a full list of different ad providers. And these are all separate websites. They're going to provide you with ads that you can watch in order to generate some extra cash. But now the main advantage of using Time Books to watch these ads is the fact that you don't really have to set up an account on all of these different platforms, and that means you can just sign up on Debo.com, set up your profile, set up your withdrawal option, and after you've done that, you can switch over to the ads and watch them in your spare time, and depending on how much time you have on your hand, you're going to earn more or less. Now, I'm not going to walk you through each and every single category in here because I know you can manage them yourselves, and you will take a look at them in order to see which are the most profitable ones for you. But now I wanted to point out the fact that these guys have also got the sweepstakes here, and if you click on that section, you will be taken to another page where you can actually see that Timebox.com actually holds a competition each and every single week, and the winner of that will get $250. And guys, all you need to do in order to take part in that competition and actually get a prize is be active on their website. That means that the more tasks you complete, the more surveys you answer to, and the more videos you watch, the better chances you would have of getting all the way up to the first place and getting this bonus of $250. And they make it very easy for you to also see the previous winners, and you can take a look at that as well. But I don't want to waste your time, so we are going to stick to the most profitable things that we can do on this website. Now, another feature that I absolutely enjoy about Time Books is the fact that they allow you to actually drive traffic to a particular video, and you will get cash that way. So instead of you watching the video, other people will watch it for you, and you will still make some profits. Now, let's say that I wanted to drive traffic to this particular video, then I can copy the link address, and the next thing I need to do is go over to Time Books, once again scroll all the way down and paste the link in here, and that will generate a shortened link that I can share with people, and that is going to generate money for us passively. And now, as you can see, they will actually provide you with two separate links, and this one is for people who are coming from YouTube, Instagram, any social media platform, and the second one is for traffic that is coming from other websites. Now, depending on where you are going to drive your traffic from, you will copy the first or the second link. I'm going to go for the first one, and now I can simply share that on my Facebook page or on my Instagram, or just ask my friends to actually click on that, and I will get a percentage whenever they do so. Remember, guys, this is not actually a referral link. This is something different. It actually involves me driving traffic to the link, and that's all it takes. They don't have to sign up. They don't really have to do anything in particular. All I need to do is drive people to this link, and that will generate money for me. And last but definitely not least, here is QuickerWords.net, and this website has been around since 2002, and that makes it one of the oldest in the business. That means that these guys have actually been in the business for quite some time, and as you can see, a feature that sets them apart from their competitors is the fact that their minimum threshold for withdrawing your profits is only 1 cent. That means that you don't have to get your balance all the way up to hundreds of dollars before being able to withdraw your money, and as soon as you have 1 single cent in your balance, you are able to withdraw. And as they make it very clear here, there's no minimum for PayPal, and your payment will be processed within 72 hours. Now, they have paid over $7 million so far to their users since 2002, and that is quite generous right off the bat. You should be able to see that you've got quite a few different options. You order to monetize your time on this website, you can complete the surveys, play some games, complete offers, or shop online, and that will give you a percentage of your money back. But for now, I want you to focus on this category here in the middle of the page, and that is watching videos. But before we can proceed, we need to create an account, and that is done by clicking on this button or this one here, and that will allow us to create an account, entering our credentials in there. And that's all we have to do. And now, guys, you can stick to using only one of the websites we have covered today, but I highly recommend that you use all of them in order to maximize your profits, because otherwise you would be leaving money on the table. There are hundreds of videos that you can watch of that advertisers pay for you to watch, and they will generate money for you. Now, the more time you have, the more money you're going to make. Don't expect to become a millionaire by watching these videos, but you can definitely generate some significant amounts of money using this precise method as a brand new beginner who doesn't have a particular skill or previous experience. That's it for now. Take action, and I will see you next time.